Bile is secreted by the liver and is temporarily stored in the gallbladder. It is released through the bile duct into the duodenum, if necessary. Bile contains bile salts. Bile salts help digestion by emulsifying lipids into small droplets. It increases the surface area of lipids for lipase to act on. This effect can be demonstrated by adding bile salts to peanut oil. First, add 10 drops of bile salt solution and distilled water to 1 cubic centimeter of peanut oil in 2 test tubes respectively. Stopper the test tubes and shake for 10 seconds. Allow the test tubes to stand for 5 minutes. It can be seen that the mixing of oil and bile salt solution gives an emulsion, while the mixing of oil and distilled water gives 2 layers of liquids. The 2 liquids do not mix.